Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. We are going to use elimination method to solve this simultaneous equation. They gave us 2x plus 4y. This is equal to 26. I'm going to call this as equation number 1. And 3x minus y equal to 4. I'll call this as equation number 2. In elimination method, we are going to eliminate one of the variable. In this case, I'm going to eliminate y and I'm going to solve for x. To eliminate y, I need to make the coefficient of y equal. So I'm going to multiply equation number 2 by 4 so as to make coefficient of y 4. I will multiply equation number 2 by 4. 2x plus 4y. This is equal to 26. This is equation number 1. 4 multiplied by 3, I'm going to get 12. X, 4 multiplied by minus y, I'm going to get minus 4y. This is equal to 4 multiplied by 4, I'll get 16. This is our new equation number 2. Now, since equation number 1 has positive 4y and equation number 2 has negative 4y, I'm going to add these two equations so as to eliminate y. So we are going to add 2x plus 12x. I'll get 14x. 4y plus minus 4y. I'll get 0. This is equal to 26 plus 16, 42. I'm going to divide by 14 both sides. Divide by 14, I'll divide by 14. By 14, 1. By 14, I get 1. By 14, I get 1. By 14 to 42, I get 3. Now I get the value of x is equal to 3. To get the value of y, I'm going to substitute x is equal to 3 into equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 3x minus y. This is equal to 4. But x is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 3, take away y. This is equal to 4. Now we have 9 minus y. This is equal to 4. Take y to the right side. We have 9 minus 4. This is equal to y. Now y is equal to 5. Therefore, our value of x is equal to 3 and value of y is equal to 5. Hope you understand how to solve simultaneous equation by elimination method. First, you make coefficient of x or y equal. Then, you eliminate one of them. After that, you solve for x or y. And then at last, you substitute to get the other value. For more video on simultaneous equation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.